This is my vacuum here. We have the Dyson. Yes. The V6 Slim here. Amateur, best money can buy. Now let's learn how to clean this sucker. Right? First, we'll dismantle this. Now, this here, look, it's got, like you press one finger, that opens up. But really, it's bad design that, because you've got to press both fingers, then jiggle this off. Right, that doesn't need cleaning, this bit. And what I do, I tap, watch all the dust. Watch this. See all the dust? Blob. Now, give it a blow. Right, then there's another part here. Okay, what you do, tap it upside down and tap. Tap like that. Right, you might see some crap down the bottom. Even give it a tap like that. Loosen it up. And then tap it like that. Even give that like that a bit. And anything comes out. No, this one's not too bad. Right, you can wash them, but I can't be bothered. Alright, put that back on. Wiggle it, a bit of dust will come out, watch. Woo! Oh. Turn on high for a bit. Alright, let's move on to the head. Power head 2000, I call it. Unlock it with the key. Take that off. Pull this out. Okay? Now this will have a lot of hair. It's usually very hard to get off. Okay? You can get the scissors and stuff, but I'm in a hurry because I'm doing a video. Now, that's pretty clean. Now we won't put that back in. On this model there is another little section you must clean. Right, that's it. That comes off. Just put, this one's not bad. Sometimes there's crap in there. With the Dyson you cannot suck up hair ties, paper clips, okay, stuff, even bits of paper will not, it'll just clog it. It's not meant for that. And then just put it back together. You can put a bit of oil on that little thing. It's a good idea to oil with a bit of silicone spray these wheels. Okay? And that's the story. Put it back together. Then we have... Goodbye.